You got questions about being an entrepreneur? Watch this video and I'll share with you the top 31 questions that burns inside 1,000 entrepreneurs. For the best entrepreneur, business and lifestyle advice, subscribe to my channel and hit the bell so you get notified when I post a new video every Thursday. So if you're sick and tired of not moving forward as you wanted to with your business and life, or you simply just got questions about your business or life, well, by the end of this video, you will know the exactly top 31 questions from 1,000 entrepreneurs. And you will know how to get the answers to the top 31 questions. With this information, you can move forward and make simple and easy steps that will improve the quality of your business and life from right now. These questions and answers comes from me speaking with around 1,000 entrepreneurs for the last 2 years. And first, it's important to understand that these questions, they comes in a form of a problem. This means, for example, a business owner says, I have a problem with my XYZ. What should I do? And when I go through the questions, I go through them. I don't explain anything at all. I just want to be very, very fast with you. When I go through these questions, I state most of them as a problem. So it's not every one of them that will be a question. So original, it was a question, and I state some of them as a problem. And they are not prioritized, these questions, meaning that the first one that I'm explaining or mentioning to you is not the top burning of the 31 questions. It's individual for each entrepreneur. What is the most important thing for them right now? And I guess so it is for you too. All right, let's jump into these questions. So the 31 hottest questions from 1,000 entrepreneurs are, and I got my notes right here, so I'm just gonna share them with you right now. Number 1, I want to get away from doing the work myself. Number 2, how can I learn to understand business better? Number 3, I don't know how to sell. Number 4, I don't like to sell. And number 5, I agree with someone on doing something and then they don't. Number 6, how do I motivate my team? Number 7, I never learned business skills. And number 8, I don't make enough money. Comment below. What are your biggest questions, maybe even problems in your business, in your life? And let's continue with the next set of questions here. So where were we? Let's see. Question number 9. What are some tools to help me in my business and life? Question number 10. I am my worst enemy. I stop myself all the time. Question number 11. I need a system in my business. And number 12. I feel I'm running around in a hamster wheel. And number 13, I want to set goals, but I don't believe in them or me. And number 14, I want more time with my family. Number 15, I need a system to get in new customers or clients ongoing. Number 16, how do I grow my business? And number 17, I want financial freedom. Number 18, I want personal freedom. And number 19, I need more time. My next video coming up will show you a system to handle these 31 questions. So again, make sure you subscribe to my channel and hit the bell so you get notified when I upload and post a new video. I'm excited about these things. I'm excited about sharing these things with you. And let's dive into the next questions here. So let me look into my notes. We came to question number 20, I believe. Let's see here. How do I create a strategy for my business? 21, I can't close the sale. 22, I am all over the place. How do I get more structure? 23, I want or I need a great team around me. What to do? And 24, I have not had a holiday for 3 years. I'm burning out. 25, it's always about price. What should I do? 26, my business is not solid. I have no foundation. 27, I know what I need to do, but I don't do it. I need a kick in the ass. And 28, I have never learned leadership, and it shows in my business and my life. 29, I need help. I can't do this alone. And 30, I actually don't know what to do. And 31, I don't know how to do it. Now you know the exact top 31 questions I got asked by around 1,000 entrepreneurs in 2 years. And maybe you can relate to some of the questions, and you're thinking, how do I solve this? How do I move on? Great question. In the next video, I will show you the simple 7-step system that my clients and myself have used to not only get out of the hamster wheel, but also to create insane growth in business and life. The link is below in the description. And also, if you want to join a community of entrepreneurs just like you, I have a society where I share business and life tips and advices for entrepreneurs to help you navigate through this very much exciting but also sometimes tough path of what I call the conscious entrepreneur. And you will find the links below. And if you like this video, just go ahead and connect with me with the links below. And again, if you like this video and you find it helpful, please let me know by liking it and also by subscribing to my channel and share with fellow entrepreneurs. So I would also like for you to comment below, what are your biggest takeaways? What would you like me to talk about business and life for entrepreneurs? And I look very much forward to dive into the questions and comments and also to see your feedback. And then I will look into giving some responses too. So thanks for watching this video. Make it a great day and be awesome.